that you designed for me. The first room is the cafe where we met in pouring rain. A gallery of moments where I walk to feel the pain. Each object holds a piece of you, the coat upon the chair, the ticket stub, the book half read, the shirt you used to wear. This architecture of the mind is all I have to hold. A fortress I have built to find a story to be told. And I live inside this memory palace. It's beautiful and vast. I drink from a familiar chalice, a vintage of the past. The doors are locked, I cannot leave. The windows show no sky. It's easier here to believe than it is to say goodbye. The ballroom is the night we danced, the music soft and low. 1,000 candles that enhanced your incandescent glow. The library is all the words we never got to say. They're written on the wings of birds that never fly away. The garden's overgrown with weeds, the fountain has run dry. It represents my selfish needs and the questions asking why. I am the queen and prisoner of this elaborate place. The sole devoted visitor to my own state of grace. And I live inside this memory palace. It's beautiful and vast. I drink from a familiar chalice, a vintage of the past. The doors are locked, I cannot leave. The windows show no sky. It's easier here to believe than it is to say goodbye.